nobody cares. And I finally started realizing why I was so miserable in the first place. When I was younger, I tried to make friends. You know, my mom was like, you need to go out and make friends, you know, all this stuff. But when I started relying on other people to either solve my problems or validate me or whatever, that is when I lost myself. So I've recently begun keeping things to myself again because I realize that I don't process the way that most people seem to process, which is just basically talking. I process by doing shit. I need to learn for myself, and I need to, okay, if I have something it's just like a mental thing, and most things are mental, even the thing with the landlord right now. So I can't tell anybody about it because they're just going to try to victimize me. Oh, I'm so sorry. How does that solve anything? Really, they don't care, and they just want to see your victories.